Okay, so many people used to ask me this question: how do I create multiple Amazon KDP accounts safely without getting into trouble with Amazon content review? Yeah, this is very, very easy. Just do what I am about to show you in this video so you can protect your account and stay away from troubles. So before we begin, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right away and turn on post notification for more videos to come. Don't forget to like. Yeah, now many of us make a lot of mistakes when it comes to the eagerness of creating multiple accounts. That's you have an account before, but because you are making a lot of sales, you want to create another one just to earn more money. Let me not lie to you. Many of us cause the reason why Amazon are very strict with us today. Many of us don't mind creating 2 to 5 accounts without thinking of the repercussion or how to avoid issues after creating the account. And then we wake up the next morning just to see that Amazon have terminated our account. Although my first Amazon account was terminated due to my ignorance, and back then I don't really know much about Amazon KDP. I just know I am making money on Amazon. But due to friends' peer pressure, I was influenced in creating multiple accounts, which really cost me back then. And now I have learned from my mistake, and I've known a lot, and I've had a lot of experience over time on how to run multiple KDP accounts. Before we proceed, take note of these things when creating a new Amazon KDP account. Now, when it comes to your email address, make sure you use a new email address. Make sure you use a new and different bank details. Don't use the same email address that you used before. Create a new one. Don't use the same bank details. That's your bank account. Use a different bank account with a different name. And make sure your name is different on this account. Even if it is the same name, there's a way you can tweak the name. Maybe take your first name to the back and take your last name to the front. So just twist it that way so it can look different. Now, don't use the same phone number, or don't use phone number at all when creating your new Amazon KDP account. Make sure you use a Google Authenticator when creating your Amazon KDP account. Don't use phone number because Amazon can easily track you and know if you use a previous account before through your phone number. And then when they see that it is the same phone number as the phone number you use in your previous terminated account, they will get you. Don't use the same home address. Use different home address. You can just check online and just use a random home address. Don't use the same home address as the previous terminated account. Everything should be different. Don't give Amazon any traces to know you are the one behind the account. Don't use phone number at all when creating your new account. That's from scratch. When they ask you for phone number, you can use phone number and then remove it and replace it with authenticator. So don't let anything be the same with the previous terminated account. Now, you can use the same phone when creating your Amazon KDP account. And why I said you can use the same phone, I will show you as we continue. So watch this video till the end. Now, before you create any new Amazon KDP account or before you log in another KDP account on a new browser, make sure you sign out of your previously used browser. I don't know the web browser you use, but make sure you sign out of your previously used browser before you make any attempt of creating a new account. If you don't sign out of your previously used browser, Amazon KDP team will detect, and once they detect an unusual activity, they will bring down your KDP account. So it is not advisable for you to sign in when you have an account logged in. So, and many of us, we make this mistake. We know one of our account has been signed in already on Chrome, for example. Our account has been signed in already on Chrome. So because we feel like Amazon might not know, then we go to Opera Mini to create a new account. Now, thinking Amazon might not know, creating a new account on a new browser is putting your former account at risk because you have nothing to defend yourself when Amazon comes in the midnight. So it is just advisable for you to follow what I'm about to show you now. Now, before you create any new account, or before you create a new account, or before you log in another account, make sure you sign out of your previously used account. Now, you will see the sign out button by the top right side of your screen. Click on sign out so as to sign out of the account. Now, once you sign out of the account, it will take you to the Amazon Kindle homepage. That's the sign up page. Then you can click on either login another account or sign up on or sign up a new account. So once you click on sign up, it will take you to your create account page. Then you fill in your informations. That's your email address, your phone number, password, and everything. So once it fills up those information, then you can proceed to finish up your account creation without any issue. And by doing this, there's no traces. You have to follow these steps I just showed you now if you want to secure your Amazon KDP account, and if you don't want any issue with content review team, follow up with the informations I just gave you in this video so as to play safe and to stay out of trouble. Though many people use this strategy to manage 3, 4, 5 to 10 accounts without having any issue. So you are not different from them. You can also do the same thing without having any issue with any account. So if you enjoy watching this video, I will advise you to kindly subscribe, turn on post notification for more videos to come, and like or drop a comment in the box section. Thank you and see you in the next video.